What is going on, guys? Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing a soap that I've been actually wanting to try. I received this particular soap a while back, and yeah, here it is. Pears transparent soap. This one's pure and gentle with mint extracts. So I had like a yellow one, orange one, and I actually really liked it. It had like a weird, not like a weird, but I want to say like a premium feel. But yeah, it was given to me on my birthday. It was orange. I'm like, hey. So I decided to like order another two. I actually ordered another one, but it's coming in separate. So, but yeah, this is the Pears transparent soap, pure gentle and mint extract. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. That way you can see how it looks. And it's I guess you can read this for a while. You know, Pears is soap with over 200 years of heritage, prepared with a unique process of molding and then matured until it's reached pure transparency. Each bar is still made with natural oils and filtered for purity. It is then finished by hand and checked by eye. That's crazy, right? So what you get in the end is a beautiful, pure, and gentle soap. So here are the ingredients for those. I guess you could say for the ones that are really like, you know, into it. So it does have aqua water, sorbitol, sodium, palmate, you know, because I know a couple of friends that they don't really use a soap because it can change some of the ingredients, but this is actually what we put in our bodies. But I mean, everything has a purpose. Yeah, I don't really want to open it, but I'm gonna open it just for you guys, and I'll put it up. I'll store it back with tape so it doesn't like extract all the premium smell. Oh yeah, I forgot it comes in a soap. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, I don't want to open it but because you know the smell will go away, but I'll give you guys like a little vision of it. It is minty. I'm trying to smell it. Yeah, it's a bit minty. Can you eat it? I don't think so. But yeah, let me smell it again. Yeah, if you guys haven't tried Pears, try it. I mean, I like trying new things. I think I tried one soap a while back and I broke out because my skin was sensitive. But yeah, go ahead and give this a shot, guys. I think it's really cool. Once again, it's Pears. I'm not sure if you have to specially order it online, but yeah, this one I had to order online, so it wasn't sold at my store. But once again, guys, this is the Pears. I have another one coming in. I will be doing another video for that one. But yeah, give this a shot if you feel if you run out of soap, so if you're getting tired of your current soap, unless you're loyal to your small soap, then I'd give this one a shot. Alrighty, guys, I will see you on the next video. Peace.